she is with her stock horsepower. Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the vlog. Can you guess where I am? I hardly know where I am. It's somewhere outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. Got a beautiful day here today, and we are in fact halfway to forced induction. We drove 441 miles yesterday. We have about the same left until we get to New Smyrna Beach in Florida and visit VMP Performance. Haha, it's going down, guys. It's going down. I am so excited for this. This is going to be absolutely awesome. This is going to be the one modification, of course, that completely transforms the truck. The previous video was on the new Addictive Desert Designs front bumper, and I think that is the most awesome mod I've done so far, but it is nowhere near in comparison to what we're about to do with the Gen 3 Supercharger from VMP. But first, I almost forgot. We do need some breakfast. Change of plans. We're skipping the hotel breakfast. It was like 1,000 people in there. I want to get on the road anyhow. Hello, Starbucks. I haven't been to a Starbucks in forever. Time for some coffee. Whoa, did not crash. Yep, we need more power. We need more power. She's about to get it. She's about to get it, ladies and gentlemen. So we got about 15.4 miles per gallon on our 440 mile trip yesterday, and it's about to get a whole lot worse after VMP is done with this truck. So usually when I do these drives to Florida, it's a different season of the year and it doesn't get dark as quickly. I wasn't really thinking about that. So normally I like to drive a little further than Charlotte, North Carolina. I go to Savannah, Georgia usually, but it got dark at around 5:30 and it was foggy. It was raining pretty much the whole way. So I ended up in Charlotte. So now I gotta perk up a little bit with some coffee and a bacon sausage sandwich. We'll be right back.
Son of a bitch, Paul, why didn't you just go home?
Well, boys, after 938.8 miles, we finally made it. The sun's going down, but we are here. VMP Performance. I mean, I wasn't like expecting a hole in the wall, but I also wasn't expecting like a freaking compound. Apparently, it's 47 acres, and pretty soon 300 more wheel horsepower. So they texted me. It was like, yeah, we're here now. I'm gonna get a little tour of the place here. I don't know if I need to get buzzed in or if they understand that I'm here. I have no freaking idea. Well, maybe I need to put the truck in park first. Blooper. Hello? You know what? I did tell the guy I was going to text him. Oh, we got a minor driving over here. Change of plans. I did get a tour, but it's now dark. You couldn't really see much. So we're going to do a tour tomorrow as well. I do have my VMP hat all ready though, but I'm going to see you guys in the morning coming back here, dropping the truck off to get the Supercharger installed. Alright, and good morning and welcome back to the video. It is a new day, beautiful day here at the VMP headquarters. Now, I just posted about this on Instagram. For the first time, this truck is going to go up on the dyno. I wanted to have this done, and I had a couple people ask me about it as well. We're going to do a dyno session before the blower is on the truck, and I want to do it because it's pretty interesting to know how much wheel horsepower are we putting down at the moment with the 20 by 12 fuel stroke wheels, 33-inch tires, stock 5-liter V8. So I had you guys guessing how much power it's gonna be. At the moment, we don't know that quite yet, but we will very, very soon. All right, it's going down, man. I'm excited. It's just a stock dyno, but still, I'm excited.
Mike, come here.
I feel like you're gonna yell at me. Yeah, I know.
This is a little bit dirty.
Yeah, we go mudding in Pennsylvania.
But okay. So yeah, all this is gonna go away. That's gonna go away.
Yeah.
Maybe Donnie will wipe it down a little bit.
Well, that'd be nice of Donnie if he could do that.
Really, it's not that bad. We're not used to seeing that here.
I'm sorry, man. I do clean my cars a lot, but not the engine bay. I know it's horrible.
Yeah, we got this up here and everything.
Yeah, but
Hey,
well, maybe now finally people will stop attacking me and accusing me of just having a mall crawler and you know, pavement queen. In the comments below, guys, right now, leave your suggestions. How much power do you think she's gonna put down to the ground, to the rear wheels, while she's still stock, before we get the blower on, of course. Now, don't fast forward and cheat. Leave your suggestions now. Here we go. Loud. I love it.
That was just second gear.
Uh-huh.
You got such big tires, I wanted to try that before I went to third.
Right.
You don't even have a tune in this thing?
No.
It cut me off at 6,000 RPM.
Oh, fix it. That's your job. That's why I'm here.
You're missing all of the potential of the Coyote engine. All right, one more.
All right.
Here.
I'm like super excited and it's not even supercharged yet. All right, so what are we making?
Okay, so dynoing in third gear definitely got us the right number.
Okay.
We made 315 horsepower, 325 torque. And
the wheels?
Yeah.
Wow, that's more than I thought.
Yeah, third gear through those big 35s. And we backed that up with a 314 and a 323.
Dang, I thought it was going to be two high twos. That's what I was figuring.
Yeah, so this number right here is
Dang.
second gear. It only made 282 because it was mechanically less efficient in second gear. But yeah, let me just get that second gear pull off of there. And you can bask in the glory of 315 rear wheel horsepower. But right here, man, 6,000 RPM, they cut you off. And I don't know why they do that on the truck engines. Because we rev them out to 775 once we tune them and supercharge them.
Yeah.
I mean, they keep pulling all the way up there.
Right.
But no, man, you got a strong truck. That's a good start to supercharging it.
315 horsepower to the wheels, stock. So yeah, we'll be doing about 300 more in a few days ish.
Double it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
that's my goal. Got to be at least double. Come on, Justin. Guys, just pressuring him a little bit. All right, man. Thanks so much. This is my first dyno session ever at VMP Performance. Sweet. So they're about to pull the truck in the shop and actually get to work. But I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed, man. Over 300 wheel horsepower in this thing stock. And yeah, I get yelled at for not even having a tune, having a dirty engine bay. But that was all justified yelling. But that's why I'm here. They're gonna fix the truck up and give her her true potential. right, so we're about to take off here. They're hard at work on my truck already. But since we're not getting any supercharged driving today in my truck, we are indeed going to get a ride-along in Justin's truck. I don't want to drive it because that's going to ruin the experience for me when I pick my truck up and it's ready. But at least we get a feel for it. I'm excited, man. All right, we're ready to go.
Unlock the doors first. Sorry.
To let loose like so easily.
Sorry, traction control's on.
Yeah.
We'll have to
But it's always such a weird feeling with a big vehicle like this that can pull like that.
yeah. Man, I'm getting traction control like crazy. I know why it's so cold out. Just cruising, nothing's going on.
That's right. It's just 0 to jail in an instant. That's all. Wow, man. This is impressive.
We haven't even gone from a dig yet.
No, but it's still impressive.
Yes, no, I get a little too used to it. But
yeah, I know. All right, dig pull.
Traction control, I just turned traction control off for good measure.
All right.
You don't want to know how fast we're going. I don't want anybody to know how fast we're going.
Wow, from a dig, that is disgusting, man. That is so fast. Yeah, I'm excited, man. Are you guys excited? I cannot wait to pick this truck up. It's gonna be absolutely awesome.
Feel it fighting for traction back there?
Yeah, constantly. Oh, wow, dude.
A little bit of pedal-in action right there.
There's a crazy monster you built here, Justin.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you got 48,000 miles on your truck, Justin. That's pretty impressive. It's been holding up well.
Now the transmission, the engine, the transfer case. We actually thought we broke the transfer case one time.
Yeah.
And it was actually the carbon fiber drive shaft was spinning. It came unglued, and transfer case was fine.
Yeah. By the way, very impressive compound place you guys have here. I've mentioned that several times in the video, but this is nice, man.
Thank you. Final. So easy, so easy to light them up.
You can do a bunch of burnouts here. No one's gonna bug you.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so I'm about to leave here. They're working hard on the truck in the shop already. Big thanks to the VMP crew for taking such good care of me here. Now, since I won't be here during the full install, meaning I won't have any footage of it, head on over to VMP's YouTube channel because they are filming it. So if you guys want to see more about the install, definitely check out VMP. Now, since I don't have a vehicle, I was gonna go rent one, but Justin has graciously let me borrow their SEMA build Ford Focus RS. And this thing is obnoxious. Look at this. We got carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber hood, matte black wrap. We got Ford Star wheels, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber diffuser. Yeah, this thing is pretty wild, I have to say. Carbon fiber up here as well, of course. And it's got air ride suspension. It's also tuned, but they actually haven't dynoed it, so they don't know exactly how much power it's putting out. Over $25,000 in mods in this Focus RS. So long since I've driven a manual too. This is fun. Well guys, I'm back at the hotel room after a full day at the shop. We got a beautiful view here from the little balcony of the beach. Unfortunately, I don't really have time to enjoy it because I have to go inside and edit this video and have it up for you guys. So I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for more power in the F-150. So stick around for more videos from Florida. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.